Hello friends, in this video we have to see how to take slow motion and 4K video in 10RG mobile. Let's go. Please watch full video to get proper installation. Don't skip the video. Thank you. Let's continue.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
First of all, I will show that my mobile is not rooted.
through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
We have to install the APK. The APK link is given in the description. Then after installation, don't try to open the tab, it will automatically close. First we have to give manually all permission except the phone call permission.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
4K video recording because video is too lengthy. It will truly work. Okay friends, in case of any doubt, ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching.